I'm Matt Bichard for REIT.com. Joining me for this episode of CEO Spotlight is Kevin Grant, Chairman, President, CEO, and CIO of CYS Investments. So Kevin, based on RMBS activity, would you say we've entered a recovery in the housing market?
Well, I think it's pretty clear that, especially from RMBS performance, that the residential housing market is improving. It seems to be sustainable, and this, of course, is a really good thing. It's terrific.
And now looking at your shareholders, what's that mean for your company?
Well, what it probably means is we'll have a steeper yield curve at some point in time. We'll have wider spreads in the mortgage market, and the Fed at some point here will probably slow down and probably stop their purchases of mortgage-backed securities. So the outlook for us is actually pretty good longer term. The near term here, we're still working through some transition and tapering of the purchases by the Fed. But the outlook is very good, especially for next year.
And what are some of the key fundamental measures that you keep your eye on a day-to-day basis, and perhaps maybe some longer-term trends that you watch?
Well, the key is the spread between our financing rates and, let's say, the 10-year Treasury, just as a good benchmark. And right now, with the 10-year Treasury around 1.9%, it's actually pretty narrow. So right now, spreads are pretty narrow in the mortgage market, and we do expect that to widen out once the economy starts to do a little bit better and the Fed starts to take their foot off the gas.
Kevin, thank you so much for joining us.
It was good to be here. Thank you.
For more on this and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.